Recently, the government has decided to award airport to the private parties in the name of development of airport infrastructure development. The government is selling of the airport, Adani. There is an international attempt from the government to nepotism, help their crony capitalist friends. The government is paving red carpets for monopolization of airports in the country. Till now, Adani Group won bids to operate and manage development of 6 airports: Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Bangalore, Jaipur, Guwahati, and Thiruvananthapuram. The Adani Group is all set to acquire 4% stake in Mumbai International Airport also. That is what the media report is coming. I would like to point out that there is a clear violation of norms and regulations in giving airports to a single private entity. This clear scam of public money, in this process, the government has violated all rules. First of all, the government has ignored the advice given by some of its own ministries and departments while taking this decision. It is clear that the changes in the norms enabled the Adani Group to win all the 6 bids. The recommendation made by the Department of Economic Affairs, DEA, in the Ministry of Finance and the Niti Aayog on the technical, financial and legal aspect of the bidding process were ignored by the government. No doubt, the conditions were changed to favor the Adani Group. As we all know, in 2018, the government tried to amend the Airport Economic Authority of India, Regulatory Authority of India Act 2018, ERA Act 2008. The bill introduced by the government wanted to change the way tariffs were determined completely. The bill wanted to award the rights to oversee airport operations to private players. But the government failed to pass the bill in both the House. On November 8, 2018, a meeting of the Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Modi gave its in-principle approval to the proposal by the PMO to lease 6 airports for development in PPP model. Following this, an empowered group of secretaries, headed by the Chief Executive Officer of the Niti Aayog, was constituted at the meeting to oversee what is essentially a process of privatization. Other members in the EGOs included the Secretary of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the DEA, and the Department of Expenditure. With the bill still pending in Parliament, the government invited bid for upgradation of the 6 airports on December 14, 2018.